Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is the day 19 and the problem add binary. So given it to binary string, return their sum also in a binary string, and the string are both non-empty and contains only characters 1 and 0. So in example 1 we have string A 1 1 and string B 1 1 and the output is 1 0 0. Let's understand how we are getting this output. So string A is 1 1 and string B is 1. So adding binary we will add same as how we used to add the decimal numbers. So for adding the numbers, first we will take the least significant bits of both the string, which is the last character of both A and B. So this is A and B. So if 1 1, so if we take and initialize another variable which will hold the carry, and this carry initialize with the 0. So we will add 0 plus 1 plus 2 and 1 plus 1 of the all the string. So this will become 2. Then the last bit character of our sum is result we will add into the string builder. So this is, and this will let it we will result. So here if we added 2, this we will take modulo bit 2 and we will get the last bit which is 0. So the last character of our result will be 0, and now carry will become, carry is equals to 2 by 2. This, let it call this is a sum, and the carry will become sum by 2. This is will become 1. So now we will come to here on the string A. String A has another character while string B is not, so it's okay. Now our sum will become 1 plus 1, which is 2. So again this will give us one other character 0 in our result, and carry will also become again 1. So in the end we will check if carry is not null, if carry is not 0, then we will add the carry in our result. So this will be 1 here. So this is the answer. So let's start the implementation. It is very easy problem. I will explain during it. So we will first take a string builder, SV new string builder, and then we will take two variables which will keep the track of the indices of the string. A dot length minus start with from the A dot length minus 1 with the last character index position of A, and same for string B, V dot length minus 1, and then another variable carry which will hold the carry. So this is, now we will loop all this while either both of them become 0. So I greater than equal to 0 and j greater than or equal to 0, we will loop over, and then we will create another variable internally sum, which will be started with the carry and initialize with the carry, and we will check if I greater than equal to 0, if I greater than equal to 0, then sum we will add the ith bit number in our sum. So that will be A dot char at, and then we will reduce I by 1 minus the 0th character. We will convert that character into the number 0 or 1. That's it. Similarly, we will do for the B. For string B, we will check the j greater than equal to 1 and then add B dot char at and j minus minus, same way. Now in our string builder, we will append the character from sum mod 2, and carry will become sum by 2. So that's it. In the end, just we will check if our carry is not equals to 0, we will add the carry in our string builder 2, and after that we just return SV dot reverse. Why? Because we are adding in the reverse way of all the characters in our SV string builder, then we will reverse that and then make the 2 string and return it. So that's it. So let's compile our code. So it is what we are getting. Submit this code and it is accepted. What is the time complexity? Time complexity is the length of A or B, whichever is greater. And another way we can solve this by using a string big integer in a single line, but it is not recommended because we need to do in a way like normal approaches. So here how does it work? In big integer we can convert a string, any string, and this is the radix, whatever radix we pass. If we pass 2, this will convert into the big integer in the radix of 2, which is like binary string, big integer. Similarly here, once we do, and we will use the add method of big integer class and add this binary big integers. Once we add it, this we will get a number, and then we will return 2 string of again in the radix of 2. So this will give us the same thing. So let's write this one liner. And important thing, we need to import this class as well, because this is not in the Java like default import in our LeetCode portal. So you can try that. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.